G'day everyone, welcome to Pay It Forward. It is time for September Masterclass reveal. September, can you believe it? I'm not even mentioning that word that's coming up. Regardless, it's going to be a great month. I am dressed in tails today because our project this month in Masterclass, as you've seen in the thumbnail, is of course a beautiful emperor penguin mama and her little chick. So I get so many requests for more realistic work, and that was certainly a lot of what I did back in the day. I generally stay with storybook now. This is just a nice little blend of the two, but I have kept mine really minimalist and not been tempted to add any of those storybook details that I would normally, just to sort of challenge myself there. But of course you can take this one, you know, wherever you like. It has so much adaptability in the pattern, and you're going to love little baby chick. Now, speaking about baby chick, I have her for all of you here on Pay It Forward as well. I'm going to be dropping her in there for you. I don't want to leave anybody out. And I've had a really enjoyable month because it's been realistic and it's been a bit of a change up. Don't worry, storybook hasn't gone anywhere. And as I said, you can take yours to a storybook level if you wish. But let me show you now Mama Emperor Penguin and her baby chick. So this is Mama Penguin and her chick. Now this design is based on an Emperor Penguin, and as I said, this has been a while since I've done anything that is more sort of realistic in style, and it's been very hard for me not to add little clothing and so on to this one, but my goodness, such a beautiful art piece, I think you'll agree. And this little baby chick, just absolutely adorable. And everybody on Pay It Forward, she's going to be up there for you to create, and she's just stunning. Quite simple in design, but just absolutely adorable. So she is made to sit there on Mama's feet. Mama has a fully sculpted beak. That's a challenge this month, it really is. We do that in about 3 different parts. To get that beautiful fine finish, some beautiful paintwork and artwork on the beak. We're focusing on shape and form this month in Masterclass. And the most interesting thing this time is I'm teaching you all a new technique with these feet. So these feet, they're actually sculpted, but they have a felt cover. So very different, a new technique I've wanted to show you for quite a while, all of my Masterclass people, and it just gives a beautiful finish. We do minimal airbrushing, we do a little bit of applique, and very much focusing on style and form and beautiful finish in our sewing. So I hope you're going to enjoy that. She has jointed flippers, jointed head, jointed feet. Baby has a jointed head and optional jointed little flippers, wings, whatever you want to call them, and little jointed feet. And I give you different options there for little baby's feet as well, right here on Pay It Forward. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing her. For all of you who are looking for something more realistic, this might be your first masterpiece. Come and join me in Masterclass. So thank you all for joining me today and checking out Mama and her little baby chick, and I hope all of you right here on Pay It Forward enjoy making up the little chick. I hope to see her made up in all sorts of little tiny scarves and beanies. And you know, a baby sock, a little newborn baby sock, makes the perfect little beanie. Just a little tip there for you, forgot to tell you earlier. So I hope you do have a fantastic month this month creating this new one. I really can't believe that it's September, but we've got lots more fun before that very crazy time of the year, and I'm getting well ahead for next month. I already know what next month is all about, so I would love to tell you, but I can't. So I'm really enjoying myself at the moment with my design. So that was a nice break for me this month, making something absolutely completely different. And I hope if any of you have been tempted by this one, come along and join me in my Masterclass. I'll put the links down below. Also the links to come and join and check out our Facebook page, which is full of like-minded, friendly people. Thank you all who are there and help out and jump in and give advice. You're all such experts now, my wingmen, and I appreciate every one of you. So come and join us and share anything that you've made with any of my patterns, we love to see it as well. So I have been super busy trying to get our new projects organised. Masterclass coming up will be available in separate projects, available for you to purchase just one, which I think will be a lot better for a lot of people. Subscription basis will still continue. But if you just want to purchase one, that will be available coming up soon. Working on lots of upcycling projects just to share with you all things that I do in my spare time. This type of thing where I will upcycle just a thrifted jacket like this. And a lot of you have voiced, thank you for commenting last month and telling me that you wanted to see some of those. They're coming up, they're in progress, I promise you. So everyone have a fantastic creative week. Month, enjoy little baby chick, and remember to pay all of those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.